So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Informatica Hub. So warm welcome to my channel, and this is a new video I am shooting for you all. This is a kind of a Sunday comment box again because I'm getting lots of queries, and few of the queries we can't explain it on the comment, okay? Because if I'm going to tell anything on the comment, you will be not getting the right thing and you will be assuming something, and that will be a something wrong for my channel. If you are getting wrong content and wrong analysis, it's maybe something wrong for my channel. So I thought ki why not to share with you few of the things that should I share as per the comment and as per your query that I got. So let's start taking up the question. Okay, so this is all about, these queries are all about related to ITs and all. Okay, the all ITs query I'm picking up one by one from my Instagram comment box and from my comment section in YT YouTube. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and यार शेयर करो अपने दोस्तों में क्योंकि बहुत सारे क्वेरीज आप लोगों के सॉल्व होंगे यहाँ पे. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम ललिता बेदार. ओके, ललिता बेदार इज आस्किंग दैट सर ही इज आई थिंक शी इज फ्रॉम BSc combination. Can she get a job in Cognizant or not? So I will say definitely you can get a job in Cognizant because not only BSc but also BBA, BCA, all the candidates are eligible to get job in Cognizant. Just the thing is that you will be getting little less salary which is offered to a BTech graduate, that is little bit less it will be, but yes, you can apply and you can get the job. There are different profile openings over there. As a fresher also you can get, okay, find up, there are lots of opening over there. And yes, you can definitely apply it. Get in touch, connect with your friends who are applying and all, and you can also apply. Okay, next question is from Abhinav Sharma. It is applicable for fresher as well as who will be joining in the company in the next few months. So I would say this is question for Deloitte USI paying 40,000 rupees for or a 5-star stay on returning to office June 30th by 30th of June. So basically I would like to say this is for the candidate who has joined virtually last year or last to last year. They haven't visited to the office once also. For their leave allocation they are giving this much of amount. They are not clear, they have not mentioned about what they are going to do with all the rest employees or all the fresher employees, but I think so you will be getting accommodation. Not what as per my analysis, they will not going to give you an extra money because joining bonus is given to you all, no, while joining. So I don't think they will give, but yes, take it, wait for the official notification. This is for the all the virtual joinees of 2020 and 2021. Okay, this notification I am having right now from you all people only. Now there are lots of this kind of question coming to my comment box. Is that bro, this is question from Krishna Gundale. Bro, I got offer letter on 8th March. I have accepted it and sent it to them. Further I did not got anything. What to do now? I would say anything, one thing, okay, don't be so much worried. Okay, don't be so much worried, because the thing is that now in IT everything happened in batches. For few it might be early, for few it might be late, for few it might be on time, something it like everything is random in IT, ठीक है. So इतने वरी होने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपने ऑफर लेटर फिलअप कर दिया, फर्दर आई डिड नॉट गॉट एनीथिंग, यस ऑफर लेटर फिलअप हो गया, उनके रिक्वायरमेंट पूरे हो गए. अब उनके काम क्या है कि दे आर गोइंग टू पुट अप दैट ऑफर लेटर, मीन्स next onboarding mail and all, what the process is all about. They are going to put up survey mail, onboarding mail कि आपको वो लोग ज्वाइन कब कराएंगे. So अब उनकी काम है, आपने हर चीज अच्छे से जमा कर दिया, you have put all the things correctly, it's all done. Okay, the thing is that means just try to understand, they are allocated to the different kind of work. So they are not concerned much on a single thing. If you have done the thing, they will be getting back to you, and they will be getting back. Just expect, I can give you an expectation when they will get back to you. As you complete your 8th semester, after 1 or 2 months, around maximum 2 months, they will be getting back to you as per right now market, as per the market scenario right now. Okay, one question is there, I don't have a PAN card, what can I do for a document verification at Mindtree? I would suggest you, what you can do anything to create your PAN card, because anywhere it's a compulsory thing. Without PAN card means they can give you a little bit of relaxation or time, But yes, without PAN card, anything is not possible in IT because everything depend upon the PAN only. So I would suggest you try to fill up your all PAN criteria and all, and try to make your PAN card work done as soon as possible. Okay, so उसके भरोसे मत बैठो कि पैन कार्ड नहीं है तो मैं क्या करूंगा. दिस क्वेश्चन वाज फ्रॉम वसंत कुमार. ओके, next question is next question I'm taking let me take some good question. There are lots of people asking that is the work from home going to be end soon. So I would say yes, yeah. The thing is right now, is that people are means the offices are turning off to the hybrid mode. Okay, the thing is that they are not going to allow a long term work from home option. There are lots of option if you can opt in the company, but in general scenarios I am talking about, long terms में ऐसा नहीं जा रहा है. मतलब कि they are thinking something different in a different way, they are planning something in a different way. So hybrid mode रहेगी आपकी, but हाँ परमानेंट वर्क फ्रॉम होम की सीन आई थिंक डाउन होते जा रही है बिकॉज बहुत सारे कंपनीज कॉल करना स्टार्ट कर चुके हैं. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन is it okay? People are asking, is reallocation possible in IT industry? Especially I got this question 2-3 times in Deloitte. So I would say yeah, reallocation is possible only if their project are at different location, then only reallocation are possible. There are onshore and offshore projects. In offshore you can work from anywhere, but in onshore you have to go to that particular location and work for the project. So it totally depends यार कि रिलोकेशन पॉसिबल है कि नहीं, वो आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट इन प्रोजेक्ट्स पे कैसी है. अगर आपकी ऑफशोर प्रोजेक्ट है बहुत समय आपको मिल जाएगा रिलोकेशन, बट हाँ बहुत बार नहीं भी मिल सकता है. सो टोटली डिपेंड्स. ओके, सो टॉक टू योर मैनेजर if the project is of that kind of requirement. Totally depend upon the project, not about companies and all. If the project is of that requirement, they can means change your location and all. It's not an issue. Okay, I'm finding a good question. Okay, there are lots of questions like I've got offer letter from ABC service industry, TCS or Wipro or Mindtree. मैं बोलूँगा चलो मेरी सजेशन मान लो. दिस इज आई एम पुटिंग अप अ डिस्क्लेमर. ओके, मीन्स व्हाट आई विल सजेस्ट एज पर माई एक्सपीरियंस. अगर आपको टेक्नोलॉजी पता है, इफ यू नो द टेक्नोलॉजी, देन गो फॉर अ ट्रेंडिंग टेक्नोलॉजी और द टेक्नोलॉजी दैट यू आर इंटरेस्टेड फॉर, कि वो तीनों कंपनी में कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी आपको असाइन कर रहे हैं. बट इफ यू आर नॉट नोइंग द टेक्नोलॉजी, द कंपनी विच इज हायरिंग यू फर्स्ट एज पर द मनी, एज पर द फुल टाइम एम्प्लॉय, मीन्स काइंड ऑफ नॉट नॉन पेड इंटर्न एंड ऑल, फॉर पेड इंटर्न और पेड ट्रेनिंग एंड ऑल. मतलब अगर बहुत डिफरेंस है दो कंपनी में और जो आपको पहले दे रही है, you can go यार, because at the end all service industries are similar. Nothing much difference in that. It's all a kind of a contractor. They make you work on different projects. So much difference नहीं आता. But yes, तब भी अगर आपको clarification चाहिए, you can get back to me on Instagram and I can clear up the things. Okay, let's keep the session till now, because till here only, because it's around 8 minutes of video and it will turn boring now. So if you like my video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and yes, for any doubts and IT related queries and all, you can get back to me on Instagram or put up in the comment box. In next Sunday we will be coming out with the new Sunday comment box, and you will be getting a lot of information from there. And all the new means 6th, 7th, 7th semester student, if you are looking into this video, don't forget to give a subscribe button, click on the subscribe button, also put up the comment. We will be coming up with a new content for you all. Till then, take care. All the best for all your upcoming interviews, placement drive and onboarding process. Take care. Bye bye.